Okay, so we have exactly 22 minutes. How do we unleash some of the attributes of God into our daily life? So here are all the attributes together. How do we apply these 20 plus attributes, his independence and unchangeableness, eternity, omnipresence, unity, righteousness, justice, beauty, glory? How do we do that? Well, let's narrow it down to the big four, okay? Everybody's heard of these, right? Omnipresence, God is equally present everywhere in the universe. His omniscience, that he doesn't learn anything, he knows everything completely. His love, now everybody knows that one. God is love. God so loved the world. And then his omnipotence, power. So God everywhere present, everywhere know, everywhere power, and love. Okay, now let's just talk about life. Our problems. All of us here know what our problems are. And so I'll just list a few of them. Number one, finances. You know, your parents lose their job, or you lose your job, or you didn't have enough money and your account, you got a fee because you're late making a payment. How about a car accident? You borrow someone's car and you crunch it, or someone crunches you, or worse, you fall, you break. How about unexpected loss? A grandmother dies, a grandfather dies, a parent dies, a brother or sister dies, a partner dies, a best friend dies. Oh, this is the biggest one in America. Cancer. Do you know cancer is moving down in the age? Did you know right now the most cancer getters, at the highest rise, are the 30 and 30-ish year olds? They're getting cancers that only old people got. And boy, the scientific community is really studying this. They say, is something to do with the radiation from your phone? Is it something to do with the atmosphere? Is it the food, the ultra-processed food? What is it? Cancer, though, colorectal cancer and a lot of other cancers are just skyrocketing in the 30-somethings and the 40-somethings. Okay, so those are some challenges. So here we are. Let me put the challenges. You lose your job, you get a car wreck, or you get cancer. Now let's put around it the attributes of God. Number one, God is good all the time. All the time. That's one of his attributes. God is wise. Remember this omniscience he has. God is all-powerful. I put that as a roof. There was recently a hailstorm in America with the bad weather, and someone posted a picture of all of them sitting outside on their deck with this roof over them, and the hail kept getting stronger and stronger until it broke through this, whatever they had, glass or whatever, plastic roof. Your job loss or car wreck or cancer, God could have stopped it. See, that's what all-powerful means. It means if you're here, nothing can get to you without getting by a good God who's so wise and powerful, he could stop anything. See? One more attribute there. We always think of our car wreck, it's me, or our cancer, it's me, or our job loss, it's me. Wait a minute. Who's in the box with you? Who's receiving that? See, God is everywhere equally present with each one of us. What did Jesus say in the Great Commission? Lo, I am with you what? Always, even to the end. So, when you have a car wreck, you're not alone. When you lose your job, you're not walking away from, whoever announced it to you alone. Jesus said, I will never leave you or what? Forsake you. So, think about the attributes of God. We, as Isaiah 40 says, are held by his arms. When Bonnie and I had each of our children, they always make this, at the hospital, they make this grand thing, the baby's born, they take it away from the mother, clean up the baby, because usually they're a little messy. They get them all, nice, and they wrap them up in this little blanket, and they look like a little torpedo tube. They're about this big, They're just this little bundle, and they put it in the mother's arms, and it's just wonderful. And then before they take them to nursery, they let Dad hold them for a second. It's so scary. You don't want to hurt them. You don't want to drop them. This little torpedo, and I remember I went, and she said, now you have to, hold on tight. And so here I am holding our little firstborn. We're held by God, who is always powerful. He's always with us through everything. He designed us. Everything about you that's unchangeable, that means your eyes, your hair color, what family you were born into, what country you were born into, whether you're a man or a woman, everything about you, God designed. He's powerful, omniscient, good. He designed you for a purpose, and he's holding us.